In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and modify the parameters for the data sources in your analytics reports. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your reports enterprise or location selected, then choose Reports. Go to your new top menu bar and select Analytics. From the left-hand column, choose the analytics report you would like to edit. I'm going to stay with this first one. This report has already been created, but let's say I need to adjust the data sources. If I want to add a new data source, I can click Add and set up that source. Let's say I want another time. So I'll click the arrow next to Source and choose Time. I'm going to leave the value on Hours. For this label, I'm going to call it P time. You'll see why in a moment. If you don't want to add this data source, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. Now I have two time data sources. I also have Leave and Schedule. Let's say that I no longer need the Leave portion. I can click on Leave and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this data source. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to select OK. And now that data source has been deleted. If I click my new time data source, I could modify the source, the value, or the label. I can also create a filter. If you click the arrow next to Filter, you'll see a range of options. Let's say I only want to see my part-time employees, and I know I've set up my crews that way. I'm going to click on Crew and scroll down. Then I'm going to choose part-time. Next, select Add. Now that filter has been applied to that data source. If I wanted, I could add another filter, but I'll go ahead and leave that where it is. Next, I'm going to select the regular time, and I'm going to choose Filter again and Crew. Then I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to choose Full Time. Let's say I'm finished editing my data sources. In order for these changes to go into effect, I do need to save them. So in your upper right-hand corner, click Save. A green save bar will appear at the top of your analytics report information, letting you know when this page was last saved. That's how you can edit your data sources and adjust their parameters in an analytics report. Check out the next video to learn how to edit and format the rows in your analytics reports.